What's up, guys? I'm David, and today I'm trying to do um plug a toilet prank right now. All right. Hope you have a great day right now. So I'm gonna go clog the toilet, and my mom doesn't even know. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go to the toilet now. I'm plugging the toilet right now. All right. For plugging this toilet, we got baking soda right here. Dump it right here. All right. Oh my god. 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 I almost got caught. Oh my god. All right. If you guys like this video, I hope you have a great day right now. I'll see you soon right now. Peace.